Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell a digital product on Gumroad. So actually guys, at first you will need to create a Gumroad account or to log in with an existing one on the gumroad.com website. And now you will need to go with products option, the second option at the left hand menu. So just click it and then go with a new product, the option that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. So just click it, and right here all you need to do is to choose the digital product type and then go with next, customize. Okay, so the name is required and also the price is. So you all need to fill them first. For example, I will go with something like ebook, okay, and for the price I will go with 10. And that's just for the example, okay? So then go with next, customize, and right here you can adjust the name and to add a description like here where you can explain the benefits and features. And for the price also you can adjust it, make some adjustments. So for the price you will need to set a fixed price and also to allow the customers to pay what they want, okay? Also, you will need to upload the files and the cover image. So right here where you can upload the cover image from your desktop or an external link, so that's up to you. And for the thumbnail, it's the image that appears in the Gumroad library, as you can see, so on your profile. So just go with upload and you will be forwarded to your desktop files or your computer files, and just select an image, for example, of that product, and it will be placed right here. So it says right the requirements, it should be at least 600 to 600 pixels and GPG, PNG or GIF formats. Also, you will need to set up all the blanks and to provide the customers with all the informations of that digital products, and then just go with save and continue, then click on publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.